what you do in this situation.
Remain calm and tell a trusted adult.
I'd probably be a little mad.
Double it and pass it to the next person.
Walk around water!
Looking left, 'cause this ain't right.
Free my cousin.
Nah, keep him until he relaxes.
I've been told my girlfriend looks like me. Please tell me it's not true. Postscript, I'm the one with the long hair.
I want a girlfriend now.
I am pushing 30. Never had one. Chase that money and dream man. A girl will come eventually.
With all due respect, I'm not trying to be like you, bro. Nobody likes you. Nobody loves you. Nobody thinks you're pretty. Nobody wants to talk to you. Nobody wants you to live. Don't worry. My name is Nobody.